Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for you guys to see this beautiful look that I created. It's a halo eye with red on the sides and golden on the inside. That's the showstopper, and I really hope you guys like it, and please do like and comment and share as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all, and let's get into the video. Bye. Starting off, I have prepped my skin nicely with moisturizer and face oil. Starting off with brows, I'm taking this Most Wanted palette and I'm mixing two shades in it, Cappuccino and Restro, and then I am blending the product in. With an angle brush, I'm picking in the product and blending it with the spoolie. I always like to do my brows first just because I'm able to place my eyeshadow better that way. Angle brush would help me make those air-like strokes, and it will help me distribute the product evenly throughout the brow. And just like always, I would go light-handed in the front of the brow and little darker on the end of the brow. This whole process will give me most natural looking brow. Not taking any makeup removing wipe or any wipe, I would just wipe out the excess that has gone out of the brow. Now using MAC Paint Pot, I'll be priming my eyes with this. This is one of my favorite primer for eyes, and I'll be setting it with Hourglass translucent powder. Today I'll be taking MORPHE and James Charles collaboration palette. It is a beautiful palette. It has so many colors and so many looks you can do. Now picking up the color B, I am placing it right into my crease. I want, when we complete the whole look together, this yellow color to come through, so this will be our base color. I am placing it right in my crease and blending it upwards. Now taking color code James, I'm placing it into my crease lower than the yellow color that we placed before, just because I want this color to define my crease. As you can see, it has started making that U shape that we're looking for. Now taking the color Shook, I am placing this all over my lid. I want this color to be spread all across my lid. So I'm using my fingers for that, because the best way to blend in metallics is to use your fingers. I think that's the best way to go for it. As you can see, there's a gap between the two colors. The next color I'll be picking up is 10% off with this tapered brush, and I will be putting in between the gap there, and I'll be blending it in with Code James. Taking a Sigma brush, bigger brush, and I'm blending them both together. Now picking up the color Ring Light, which is top from the palette, and making it little bit metallic by spraying Fix Plus on it. I am placing it right in the middle. Since we're going for a halo eye, we want inner and outer darker, and right in between we want the light to hit the golden color. Now going back with another brush, I am trying to blend these color together, which is Shook and Ring Light. So I will be going back and forth with all the blending process one more time, just because I don't want any harsh line to come through. Now using Maybelline gel liner, I will be making a wing with it. I will be mapping out where I want to place my wing and then filling it in. With this process, you would like to go little by little. You just want to see where you want to place your liner first and then fill it in. It's a tedious process, but if you do it nicely, your liner would sit so perfectly. And to fill in any gaps between my liner, I would take this Super Slim by L'Oreal, and I will be filling in any gaps that I have in between my gel liner. Now using any mascara, I'm using Elizabetharden. I am coating my lashes with mascara. For lashes, I'm using Shy from Kiss. These are very beautiful lashes, and the band is so thin, it looks seamless when you're applying it. For primer, I'm taking number 7 Airbrush Boosting Primer, and I'm laying over liquid highlighter from Nykaa in color Moonlight. Today I'll be using one of my favorite foundation. This is Makeup Forever Ultra HD. This is perfect for dry, combination, or oily skin. It looks perfect in pictures. Now taking Maybelline concealer, I am placing it under my eye for brightness. The yellow undertone will give me brighten under eye. I'm putting it on my nose, on my lip and chin, placing it right under my contour. For contour, I'm using Fenty stick, and for this I am trying to make this face so I can see the hollow of my cheek. Placing it on my forehead because I have a bigger forehead. Placing it on my jaw area, my nose and my lips because I want my nose to look thinner and my lips to look full. And taking any damp brush, I'm using Beauty Blender and I'm again dampening it with Fix Plus from MAC. I'm blending the whole contour together with highlight. It's an easy process, you just need to blend it nicely. And for jaw, I'm using a brush because I want it to blend upwards and downwards so I can have a thinner looking jaw area. And for translucent powder, I'm using Hourglass. I am placing it under my eye for baking, and I'm placing it under my contour because I want to have that clean contour look once we're done. Now we'll give a minute for all those things to settle. And taking any face powder, I'm using Maybelline powder foundation. I am setting all the other areas of my face. I love this powder especially for setting my face. Now taking any clean brush, I am cleaning up that baking that we did earlier. Now picking up this angle brush from Morphe, I am settling the contour that we did earlier. I am taking Hoola Bronzer from Benefit for this process. I am placing it on my forehead, hollow of my cheeks and on my jaw area. I want it nicely chiseled and contoured. Now picking up any clean brush, I will blend everything together one more time. Taking this palette from Benefit, I will mix two colors from this palette. One is Dandelion and second is Gold Rush. I will place it on the apples of my cheek. I love the combination of these two. Now taking a sturdy brush like this, I will picking up Shadow Shook and blending it all over my lash line. Then I'll be going back with ring light and placing it right in the center of the eye. We're trying to recreate the look that we did on the top just because I want that same halo effect on the lower lash line. I'll be placing the ring light color on the inner corner. Now taking any gold kohl pencil, I'll be lining my waterline with this just because we want that area to get brightened up. And now I'll be coating my lashes with any mascara. I'm using Elizabeth's Grand Entrance mascara. You can use any mascara you like. And taking the color from top of the palette, I'm using it as a brow highlight. Now taking this beautiful nude from Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, I am placing it on the lips. Now going with amazing highlighter from Jaclyn. This is in color Boomb. I'm placing it on my cheeks, my nose, my lip area, and it is looking so pretty. And I'm using it as a inner corner highlight as well. Thank you so much for watching. That's all you guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Love you all. See you soon.